welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Nelly, and today we are going to be doing a semi cleaning video. Okay, let's get to it. Okay, y'all, so I have a really small room. I just feel like that I got too much stuff for this little room that I have, and so it ends up getting dirty quick. But I definitely don't think it's not as bad as I be seeing like people on YouTube be making. Oh my god, you can see the granny panties and everything. Oh my god. All my girls who still wear granny panties, comfortable granny panties, everybody just stand up, okay? And y'all, this is just a pretty package that I received. I didn't know if I wanted to keep it or not. And yeah, y'all, I'm just getting stuff like off my floor. As y'all see, y'all can even see the sauce bottle. I had ended up eating like some really good food and I used the hot sauce. It wasn't originally on the floor, but yeah, y'all know where I'm going. And as you guys see, I had a lot of water bottles, so I've been really dehydrated and everything. So yeah. And so next, the other side of the room, is my bed and everything. You guys can't see the other side of my room yet, and it's another part on the other side. It's just too much to explain. It's another part where like my wax and stuff and like my makeup and stuff is and stuff like that. So I'm just trying to fix up everything, because usually like I be doing clients in my room and everything, and here some ugly lashes go. I don't know who gave me those, but those not my type, okay? So the next thing my hippo self do is get on this floor, and we about to see what do I still want, what do I don't want. So as you guys see, I picked up like my butt lifter cups or whatever, and y'all, I just been really thinking about like, I don't know if I want to provide that service no more. I just feel like I need a little bit more knowledge and everything. So I might not even provide that service anymore. I feel like, I wasted my money on this machine, and it's just, oh my God, y'all. So anyways, yeah, y'all, I don't know. I might just throw it out. I don't know, but I spent a lot of money on it. So, and in that bag, I also bought like the little lights that I've been seeing like on TikTok and stuff like that. So yeah, I'm just putting stuff in the box, putting back in the box, because I don't know if I'm going to use it or not. And y'all, excuse me for having my crack of dawn out. Like, y'all, I was just really trying to like hurry up and just clean my room, because I mean, who likes cleaning up their room? Like, come on now. Another thing is, I really hope that you guys, I really hope this video give y'all the motivation to clean your ish up, so if you like steady working and stuff like that, and because sometimes work be getting in the way of everything and you don't have time to clean up. So I hope this motivates y'all to clean your mother effing room, okay? And the next thing that I'm doing right now is I'm just trying to look through all my mail, because I be keeping so much mail, and I be like, okay, do I need the mail or not? So anyways, I'm trying to like go through my mail and stuff like that, and just try to see if I'm gonna keep it or not, because a lot of it needs to go, and they keep on sending me junk mail, and I ain't got time. So as you guys see in this clip right here, somebody upstairs was yelling and stomping, and oh my god, like my upstairs neighbors be doing a little bit too much. Like, girl, why are you yelling on top of your lungs and then you stomping at the same time? Oh my god, like they just do not care. So the next thing that I'm gonna pull out is the bands for exercising. Y'all, let me tell y'all, I only used it twice. I have to get back on my exercising routine. The next thing I'm doing is I'm just pulling out my lash kit, because I had like glue on the shelves, like little bottles of glue, and y'all, I don't know, I might get into lashes again, I'm not sure, but I mean that glue is past expired, so I can't use that, but I could definitely still practice. And the next thing that I'm doing is I'm just getting the stuff out like from the corner, and those were like boxes, like Amazon boxes that I just be keeping stuff in. So just in case that I move, I'm gonna leave that stuff in those Amazon boxes that's like in the corner of my TV. So in this box I have like a lot of notes, like esthetician notes and stuff like that I usually be writing, and then I also had like a binder and everything like the lash binder and stuff like that. So I'm definitely gonna keep that. I'm just gonna put it on the shelves, and I'm gonna just throw that box away because yeah. Okay, so I just pulled out another Amazon box, and basically this box was just for like my packaging ideas. So like when I was selling waist trainers and stuff like that, I bought like extra like special stuff like extra baggage and stuff like that. But I mean, unfortunately, I'm not gonna be selling waist trainers anymore. Y'all, it was a complete fail. And to be honest with y'all, I got a better idea. So stay tuned for that. If you still gonna be supporting, stay tuned for that. So next, I'm just picking up any extra stuff off the floor, putting stuff in trash, and just overall cleaning the room. I got really tired, and oh, and then in this clip, my drawer wasn't going in for like the past few weeks, and I was wondering why, but it turns out that like it was actually the wrong way, so I just flipped it over, and yeah, and in that part, I have to go sanitize stuff, like stuff that I use for like facials and stuff like that. So, um, other than that, y'all, I'm just getting hangers, hanging up my clothes. I got too many clothes, so a lot of stuff don't even fit in my closet. So trying to work that out, and a lot of stuff don't fit in my drawer. So whenever I get like my new place and everything is gonna be brand new. And then for this clip, this is the other side of the room. So I'm just hanging up stuff, getting stuff out the bag, and just trying to hang up as much stuff as I can. But yeah, my closet is so full. I got too much clothes and bags, like new clothes and bags, that I can't even hang up, can't fold up, because I already have folded up clothes in my closet. And yeah, it's just too much stuff and too much shoes. I got too much going on, y'all. So yeah, y'all, I'm just trying to organize my closet and everything. Y'all know y'all closet be looking a mess, so y'all might as well go ahead and set y'all closet up and organize that. Cause I mean, what girl's closet is not a mess? Okay, so the next thing I'm doing is putting my massage bed in its bag. I usually just have the massage bed just out sitting because I don't be feeling like putting it in this big heavy bag because it's a whole process to put it back in the bag. And then also I'm just moving stuff over, y'all. That's just some weave, 30-inch weave that I done saved. So I'm just moving everything over and trying to get everything, I guess, settled and organized. And yeah, y'all, now I'm vacuuming. All right, y'all, this is pretty much the end of my video. I hope you guys like this video, and I hope this gave you motivation to clean you guys' rooms. It's all clean. And don't forget to like and subscribe, and look out for my next video. Bye.